Hey there friends, on today's video we are going to be doing a factory reset on this Vivosmart 4. It's a really simple process. Let's do it right now. Okay, so if your watch has been acting up or if you want to sell it and you just want to make sure all of your data is deleted and the watch is given a fresh reboot, this is going to be what you need to do. This is going to be kind of a factory reset here. If you're just looking for a soft reset, you can also find that information here in this tutorial. So what we're going to do is we're going to get into our watch settings. So let me go ahead and just tap our screen here and tap it once more. And once we're in our main menu here, what we want is our gear icon. So I'm just going to slide down, and what I'm going to do is just tap right on that gear. Okay, once we're in this menu, we're just going to slide again, and we want to be on that info button. I'm going to click on that. And then once you're in the software menu, we're actually going to slide up twice. And as you can see, that brings us to our reset button. Let's click on that. And then we have two resets here. As you can see, the first one just resets your default settings. So it's not going to be a hard reboot. It's just going to be a little soft reset. And then the second option, actually, if we scroll up, is going to be a delete data and reset option. That's exactly what we want to do. I'm going to click on that. And then you can see this is going to restore all the default settings. And then it's going to clear all your data as well. And once you're ready to proceed, simply hit the bottom button again. And then you can hit the top button to check it. And we're going to drag that down. And then as you can see, we are now going to be resetting. Okay, in just a couple of seconds, you can see we are back to that initial setup screen, and this is ready to be set up for the first time. Friends, I hope that's helped. If it has, you guys hit that thumbs up button. Let us know we're making helpful videos, and stay tuned because we're making a bunch more Garmin tutorial videos as well as a bunch of other tech tutorial videos. Those are coming out really, really soon. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again on the next one.